Once upon a time, people thought that the sea contained unlimited numbers of fish, and that these were there for the taking. We would never run out of fish, no matter how much we harvested. We now know this is not the case, and hard lessons have been learned. It's a proven fact that globally, many marine fish stocks have declined substantially over the recent decades. The Benguela Current flanks the coast of South Africa, Namibia, and Angola. These nutrient-rich waters are particularly productive in terms of fisheries resources. They also provide non-renewable natural resources, such as oil, gas, diamonds, and other minerals. Irresponsible fishing can have a severe long-term impact on the ecosystem. The system consists of all the animals, plants, and microscopic organisms that interact with each other and the habitat they live in. In the wake of the harsh reality of declining fish stocks in the Benguela region, for example sardines, and the need to sustain major fish stocks such as hake, it was realized that an integrated ecosystem approach to ocean governance had to be implemented. In response to the call to tighten ocean governance, the Benguela Current Convention, or BCC, was established in 2007. This is an intergovernmental initiative of Angola, South Africa, and Namibia. The convention aims to ensure that the Benguela region is sustainably used and managed, conserved, protected, and contributes to the well-being of the people in the region. The EU-funded Ecofish Project has been implemented by the BCC since 2011. Its main purpose is to improve on data collection, biological analyses, and modern fish stock assessments in the region. The project has been focusing on hake and horse mackerel. These are some of the most important commercial fisheries in the Benguela region. The Ecofish initiative involves scientists and advisors on fisheries management. These are drawn from Angola, Namibia, and South Africa, including a team of specialists from Denmark. This has enabled a range of specialists to work together using sound and credible scientific knowledge and methods. So, what has Ecofish accomplished to date? Thanks to this initiative, hake data collected from 8,000 trawls in Namibia and South Africa, conducted over a 20-year period, have been collated and analyzed. Advanced electronic instruments have been assembled and mounted onto trawl nets of commercial and scientific survey vessels. These instruments are being used to monitor environmental parameters during the fishing process, for example, salinity, temperature, oxygen, light, and turbidity. The data are used to improve survey-derived indices of fish abundance, which are important inputs to assessments of fish stock status. Furthermore, through Ecofish, new state-of-the-art modeling tools were developed. One is called GeoPop, which has been used to investigate size-specific fish distribution and has provided new insights into the stock structure of hake species in the Benguela region. The results obtained from GeoPop was further supported by genetic analyses. These suggest that the shallow water hake species, Molluscius capensis, comprise of at least 2 stocks that differ genetically. In contrast, the deep water hake species, Molluscius paradoxus, seems to form a single population that shows very little genetic structure. Ecofish has implemented enhanced stock assessment models. For example, a model considering hake-on-hake predation was developed in a PhD thesis. Results also had a large impact on the perception of population dynamics. Progress has also been made in the age determination of hake, which is a prerequisite for sound stock assessments. Importantly, the project contributed to the establishment of the demersal and small pelagic fish working groups. These working groups ensure the continuation of project activities within the frame of the BCC. The Ecofish initiative has contributed to the training of scientists in the region. In total, 4 PhD projects have been completed, and there has been a series of courses and workshops. The impact of this capacity building and skills development cannot be underestimated. The invaluable data collected and models developed through Ecofish have contributed to our understanding of fish stock dynamics and assessments of these stocks. However, these assessments need to take many factors into account, such as environmental effects on the growth and mortality of fish stocks. Furthermore, fish see no borders and move along the coastline across country boundaries. This highlights the need for intergovernmental solution for the management of shared resources, as has been done through the BCC. Supplementary data have been collected through Ecofish by involving the general public and the relevant stakeholders. The results and conclusions from the activities are used to inform the scientific community, managers, and the broader society. This will continue into the future. We need to improve on our current models and techniques for fish stock assessments. We also need to enhance our current understanding of ecosystem dynamics. It is therefore pivotal to ensure that local capacity is put into place to continue such research into the future. Ultimately, the Ecofish initiative contributes to the implementation of the ecosystem approach to fisheries management in the Benguela region. We have learned that we need to understand the resources we harvest much better, and that predicative knowledge will be dynamic and require steady provision of resources. Our marine living resources are vulnerable to unsustainable fishing and environmental change. Effective management of these resources needs a sound scientific basis. Yes, there are areas that still need improvement, but thanks to the 6 years funding by the EU and the determination of Angola, Namibia and South Africa, the journey until now has been fruitful to say the least. This is why we need to continue.